Hi again. Here, we're looking at facilities design and layout, which is an example of an operations management strategy that is adopted by large-scale organisations. It involves planning the layout of the workplace to streamline the production process. An LSO needs to consider a few things before choosing a layout in order to maximise efficiency. The physical space needs to be large enough to cope with the anticipated volume of production. The space needs to allow for an effective use of production equipment and technology. It also needs to be a suitable location for stock and warehousing requirements. And finally, the warehouse needs to conform with legal regulations. There are various types of layouts that can be applied within an organisation, which differ between a manufacturing and a service organisation. Here, we'll look at the fixed position layout, the product layout, the process layout, the retail layout, and the office layout. A fixed position layout deals with large-scale processes, such as the construction of bridges, ships, aircraft, or buildings. It involves the employees, materials, and equipment all going to the chosen development site, and it is used when it is too difficult to move the product. An advantage of this layout is that all the materials and workers are in one location, which can be beneficial for communication, productivity, and keeping costs down. The main drawback of the fixed position layout is the lack of storage, as it can be hard to find space to safely store materials and equipment, which change frequently in this context. A product layout deals with the manufacturing of goods in mass volume using an assembly line. The machinery and equipment are arranged in line, and components are added to the product in a sequence of steps. This layout is best suited to the manufacture of high-volume, standardised goods. One of the main benefits of a product layout is that cost is reduced because of the use of technology and due to staff only completing specialised tasks. A disadvantage is that it can be expensive to set up a capital-intensive, automated assembly line, and problems on the production line can mean that all production is stopped. A process layout deals with high varieties of products by grouping activities, equipment, and machinery of similar function together. This can involve batch production, straight line production, or U-shaped work cells. A process layout is suited to LSOs that deal with a variety of products. One of the drawbacks is that work can be monotonous for staff if they are involved in only one stage of the process. The retail layout involves ensuring that high-margin products are given proper exposure to potential consumers. There are a number of considerations for this one, including worker and customer safety, worker movement, customer flow and access to goods, product security, lighting, privacy, and noise. The retail layout is utilised to get the best result out of consumers. For example, in supermarkets, the highest margin products are often found at the end of aisles or near checkouts, and the highest draw items, such as milk and bread, are often on opposite sides of the store. Finally, the office layout deals with flows of information and must effectively support the operations or core business. The main considerations of this layout include worker movement and access to equipment, safety, privacy, noise transfer, security of information, and ventilation, lighting, and climate control. And that's all we've got on facilities design and layout. Thanks for watching and happy studying!